Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to do simple no cornrows crochet braids for summer. Simple style for summer. If you want to know how I cut the hair, you can check out my latest video. I showed a tutorial how I cut the hair. And in this video I will not be showing you guys how I cut the hair because I already have the video. Check that video out. And then you can see the hair I will be using. I also used this hair to do pineapple bun. And then in the video, that is where I showed how I coiled the hair. And then this is the hair I will be using. And then don't forget to check out the video to learn how I coiled the hair. And people will be like, why don't you comb your hair? We are all different. I know what works with my hair. I don't usually comb my hair like that. If I am to comb my hair, I will apply a lot of leave-in conditioner, spray in water, tangle and comb my hair. But in this video, it's not all about combing my hair. It's all about doing no cornrows crochet braids. And if you are to do this, you can comb your hair. It's optional. And then what I will do now is just to use Brazil wool to just tie the hair down as I want. Nothing special. If you want, you can also do one side cornrows. It will also be cute. I also have a video how I usually stretch my natural hair using Africa thread. Don't forget to check that video out.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so we must
tie the both together like this. This style very simple and easy. Tie it down. Even if it's looking like this, my natural hair is going nowhere. It's well secured and painless no cornrows crochet braids. This is how it looks. Look at the front. What I will do now is just to go ahead and crochet the hair. I will just use a hook. Use the hook to pass through my natural hair. Place the hair, close it, and loop it. Very easy. I hope you guys can see it. And I will make sure to knot it once and very, very soft. And I will not be tightening it because if I am to lose the hair, so that will be very easy for me to lose. And I will just start to do the normal crochet braids and I will loop it once. Make sure it's very, very soft, not tight, so that will be easier for me to lose.
merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
And I will be showing you guys 3 different styles. And if I want, I can leave it like this. What I need is just to make sure to brush where my natural hair is showing a little bit more better. Apply a little bit of gel, maybe lay baby hairs down, and it will be cuter. If you are to do this style, I will also advise you to try this. This is one style. I will be showing you guys 3 different styles. And then what I did, I ended up adding a little bit of more hair extensions, and you can see this is second style. This one is also very, very cute. And then my natural hair is showing a little bit at the front, which makes it more cuter. What do you guys think of this style? And I kind of like this. And 3 different styles. Oh, you cutie. And ended up crocheting more hair. And then if you want, you can crochet the hair close to the part, but I will allow my natural hair to be showing a little bit at the front.
Light is gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty.
I'm shaking the hair. They are going nowhere, unshakable. This is what I said earlier on. The way I tied my hair, I think you were thinking, oh my gosh, the hair will not stay, but you can see it stayed. You can see the back. Very, very pretty style, and easy shaking the hair. And see the back. I want to show you guys more before I will show you guys the front. You can see you can do many styles. You can do the first style, the second style, or this very one. And if you also want, you can just crochet the hair close to the part. I wanted my natural hair to be showing a little bit at the front. That is why I left a little bit of my natural hair at the front, so you guys can see. And this style is very easy. It's summer style, and you just want to do a lot of simple styles this summer. I will advise you to try this. I will have this style on for 2 weeks, only 2 weeks. And if you don't know how to do cornrows, try this method, and you will thank me later on. I will also show you guys how to take down the hair. And don't forget to also check out how I coiled the hair. And I used 2 packs. I cut 1 pack of expression into 4 sections. And I stretched. I used 2 packs. And you can see, take it down very, very easy. No stress. And if you enjoyed this video, you want to see more no cornrows crochet braids this summer, give a huge thumbs up to this video. Hope you enjoyed this video like as I enjoyed filming it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Share with friends and family, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.